today I'm going to be unboxing LOL Boys Surprise Arcade Heroes and Scooby Snacks and Surprise Toy. And I have a big bucket of cold water for the LOL. So I'm going to open up the LOL.
I'm going to eat the snack.
No.
Open the snack first.
Snack?
I want a Scooby snack.
So you lift on the side.
I hope you get a bad guy.
Oh, there's a Scooby stand. I want a thing to cut out. And there.
Okay, do you need to open it carefully? You need to open it carefully?
Oh, no.
Here. It says pull here and it looks like you pull across the front, so. Careful, careful if it's got something inside. So what does it look like inside? Looks like there's a bird on your head. It's a Scooby you can cut out and a mystery machine. Ruh-roh, Scooby-Doo got lost in the jungle hunting for Scooby snacks. Help him retrace his steps to find Daphne, Shaggy, Fred, and Velma on their way to the mouth of the jungle and back to the mystery machine. Along the way, how many Scooby snacks can you find? So here's your Scooby snacks. They're little cinnamon cookies shaped like dog biscuits. Oh, and there's what they're talking about. There's a little maze in there. Okay, so that's what you...
This should be the toy, right?
Yeah. Let's see what your surprise toy is. It says collect all 7 mystery toys.
It has a background.
Oh, cool.
And
It says storage on it, and it's got a truck
we
and
got
a building.
Shaggy.
We got Shaggy. Looks like he's running from something. Now we definitely need a villain to chase him.
Okay.
Maybe that guy will be the villain and chase him. Oops, I knocked down Shaggy. Kind of cute. That's his back. That's his front.
The back of the arcade machine looks like a real arcade machine. And here's what it looks like. And then the coin is inside of here.
And there's a slot there to put a coin in.
Oh, the coin packaging, it looks like a video game thing, like a Game Boy thing. That's the coin bag. Now, what does the coin look like? By the way, the instructions to use this is inside of it.
That's helpful.
Yeah. Then you have to use this to unlock this. But on the instructions inside, it tells you how to unlock it. Oh, I see the other arcade machine.
She does have another one of these.
So, in case you don't know how to do this, there's a little slot right here.
Looks like the...
Do this.
Well, I don't know where the girl is, but her costume is in here.
Then you push the coin to the side, and you're supposed to pull this lever, and boom.
I'm going to use Shaggy's head to open this one.
Oh, and then you pull this off, and to get out. So... I need skizzers.
Skizzers. Here's your instructions that were inside.
What better place to put the instructions where you cannot use them until you figure out?
Yep, See, there's step one with the coin.
You have to figure that step out to do it. Oh, he has little wings.
Here's the poster.
He's shiny.
Here's the characters.
Oh, and by the way, it's not a mystery on who you get.
Yeah, it's going to show you on the side which one you're going to get.
But it's a mystery. Well, it's not a mystery what the doll looks like either. Here.
Oh, you put his thing on him, or was it already on him?
It was already.
Okay, here's his little costume. He's got some wings, like a little birdie. Can you hear our little birdie singing today?
There's his card.
So, when he's in his human form, this is Batty Bro. And when he's in his arcade
It says it on this.
thing, he's a Chaos. And she also has this one over here, Infinity Queen and Starling, which I'm not sure where the doll is. Here's his card. Shows his stats. And it looks like he has a star by him, so he's a rare. He's the rare one.
The girl one's a rare too.
She is the ultra rare. And here's the things over there.
Show them how to put the helmet on and off.
And it just kind of snaps together around their head. There's like little things that line up to click it together.
Here's the hands. You didn't get the arms off yet. Got the hands.
You want to move closer and show them as you're doing it?
Yeah. So for this, you just take it off like this, where it splits in half. It's 2 pieces now. And do the same with this arm. Like that. And then for the legs, you snap these off. Sometimes that comes off, but not always. And the way this goes is you just snap it in half like the arms. I lost a leg piece somewhere. Oh, it's right there. And then you take the suit and snap it apart.
I like his hair. Show the top of his head.
Oh, it says bad right here.
Show the top of his head. Ah, there's a bird on your head.
Birdie. That's the top.
So he must be the little brother to, like, what's her name, Little Batty, or is it just Batty?
He has the word bad written right there in gold. Then there's shorts. And let me show you how, excuse me. Let me show you how to get the clothes from here. So, let me get to them.
Oh, there's a secret compartment.
So you choose which one. It doesn't matter. You get the same thing. I usually choose the one that I got. So you just push down. See, I had to push down on the tiger. So it would work. And you get the clothes. And then you just rip the rest off. And here's his little pants. It has bad on him too. Take the shorts off. Then just push one of these in.
Flip it again and push some more.
Yep, there's one more compartment.
Okay.
Just push it in like that again. Then it gives you more accessories. Oh, he has a little book. Let me see. Oh, he has a little book.
What's it say on it?
Batty Monkey. Oh, his...
Because he's from the storybook collection, and he's themed, and the sisters of his are themed on the Bad Witch from Wizard of Oz.
Little...
Oh, it's a comic book, I think. BB Comics, The Amazing Batty Monkey. So it's a comic book.
Here is his shoes. And the rest, something green.
It's all green.
That's his water bottle. Here's his water bottle.
What does it say?
It has slime. Bad sip. It's backwards on camera.
Just to you.
Wait, what? It is? Yeah, that's all for that one. And then this one might be a secret. This one is... Oh, that one stays like that. Okay. So there's only 2 to do.
Let's see him in his outfits. This is what he comes in. This pair of shorts comes off, but the shirt does not. Their little clothes are tricky to get on.
I know. Trying to get all the papers off.
And here he is with the long pants outfit and the shirt or sweater, whatever it is.
There we go.
And what is his water feature?
Okay. He needs his clothes off. Cause
He's not a color changer, I can tell you right now, because it shows on the thing what they are. It says right there what he does.
He's a spitter.
If he was a color changer, that would be his thing. Let's see him spit. Ew. Ew. And then all this here, you can put back on him for his little, I don't know what you would call that. Is it a robot suit? Video game costume? I don't know what he's doing. Kind of has some like green glitter to it, if you can see. All over it. Very cute. There's that little wings. And here's Jake coming to steal Scooby snacks. You know what's funny? Is are you biting me? Are you biting me? Your little guy you got was all green. This little guy you got was all green. It's a green themed episode.
Yep. Slime thing.
So
We
what
never
is?
did show off the coin, did we?
I don't know. Does it say something on it?
It does.
Oh, no cash value. It's kind of like a real game token, but it's kind of hard to show. It's kind of hard to see in person as well.
It's even harder to show on camera than person.
Yep. So what's your favorite part about his outfit, costume, whatever? I like his comic book. That's a cool comic book. And I do enjoy flying monkeys.
Him.
What do you like about him? I like his hair.
I like how bad's all over him.
He's got bad all over. What do you think his favorite song is?
Anything with the word bad in the title?
I thought you'd come up with Bad by Michael Jackson.
Forgot about Michael Jackson.
No, he's gonna take Shaggy. That's not chasing. Ah!
Chloe.
Just mean to Shaggy. baggie. Wicked, wicked, wicked.
He's bouncing on strawberries. Strawberry, 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 strawberry. Grape, 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 grape. Orange. Hands are wet.
Yeah, I didn't need that for me. Neither did Jake. He really wants these Scooby snacks.
Scooby snacks. So, comment down below what was your favorite, this or the LOL.
Who's your favorite character from Scooby-Doo?
Yeah, and
Who's your favorite character from Scooby-Doo?
if you've seen these before, and you've seen all the characters, comment down below what your favorite character is or what character you would like to get, and if you have them.
Who's your favorite Scooby character? You didn't say.
I don't know. Bouncing on straw.
You haven't seen Scooby in a while?
Haven't. So we don't know why. Woohoo.
I wanted to get one of the bad guys.
Why?
Because that's fun. Okay, now you're just poking at water.
I'm poking at him, not water. Comment down below what your favorite accessory was.
If you have one of these, if you can get them put back together, they're very tricky.
For us, they're like the hardest thing ever.
Just play with him as a random boot. It's a bad boot. It's being naughty.
I'm gonna feed him water.
What's your favorite video game to play? That would be a good thing to comment on this one since it's kind of a
Roblox.
video game thing.
Roblox and Minecraft.
Roblox and Minecraft. Never heard of them.
I've heard of Roblox and Minecraft. Okay, comment down below and comment down below.
You already said that.
What your favorite outfit is.
Okay, what's your favorite of the outfits? The shorts that he had on, the big robot costume, or the long pants sweater outfit he's got on now? What's your favorite?
And how many of these you have?
What's your favorite?
My favorite is probably when he has on
That one?
the actual
sweater?
outfit. Black.
All right. Oh, Jake is going crazy trying to get this bag of Scooby snacks open. He's going to hurt himself. He's going to knock the table over in a minute soon. Say goodbye, Jakey. Say goodbye, Jakey. Say goodbye. He wants a Scooby snack.
He's like
Aw.
that Scooby.
If it'll get him a snack, you can call him anything you want.